What is the law of conservation of charge? To understand the law of conservation of charge, first we need to understand what a charge is and what it does. A charge, also known as an electric charge, helps characterize a unit of matter, and what this expresses is, to an extent, what an object has in a matter of electrons, if it has more electrons or fewer electrons than protons. Physical properties of matter causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. There are two types of charges. Like charges repel one another, while unlike charges tend to attract each other, as seen with the example. Now that you have a better understanding of what a charge is, we can understand the law of conservation of charge. What the law is a basic principle that an electric charge can neither be created nor destroyed. This law also states that a net quantity of the electric charge is the amount of positive charge minus the amount of negative charge in the universe, and that is always conserved. Charges tend to deal with conductors and insulators. What a conductor is, it allows you to conduct electrical currents very easily because electrons are allowed to move freely within them. Some common conductors are copper, aluminum, gold, and silver. Insulators, on the other hand, oppose the electrical current and make for poor conductors. Some common insulators are glass, air, rubber, and wood. The law of conservation of charge also relates to the law of conservation of energy, as energy is neither created or destroyed in an isolated system, but it just changes from one form to another, much like a charge changed in different situations. Law of conservation of energy is also seen to be related as it can transfer from one part of the world to another, just like a charge. Also related to the law of conservation of charge is the law of conservation of momentum. As stated, the momentum of an object is constant as long as nothing acts upon it. As it is also shows with a charge, it tends to stay its same charge if you never add or take away an electron, meaning that the addition or subtraction of electron changes the charge to either become more positive or more negative.